Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 168. This was Valentine's Day, 14 February 2023. I did 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 6-minute jog. I attended some training with Power. I had a coaching call in the afternoon. I had another solar appointment, and then I worked on books. And I've been also taking some training courses on books, and also did some getting rid of some paperwork and trying to get rid of some clutter. And that's basically about it for day 168. Grateful for all of my virtual assistants that help me every single day. They're very selfless. I had a couple people that are actually working at no charge because we had some business setbacks, and they believe in my business so much that they're saying, hey, we're willing to help you for free. At least like deferred compensation is more appropriate. I mean, we get back to where we were, in a place where I was with my company. I plan to pay them back, but that's a big if, and they understand that there's a possibility that doesn't happen. But I'm grateful that they made that proposal and that they're willing to do that, and they believe in me, and it's very touching, and it's something I'll never forget. And I will do my very best to either pay that back or at least pay it forward. So grateful that there are people out there like that are selfless, and that they see the big picture, they see the vision, and they want to be a part of something great. So that's basically it for day 168. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and look forward to talking to you tomorrow.